Serena Williams' father, and I think Tiger Woods' father, even used the same term, brainwash their children into wanting to be the best. Do you think it's nature, nurture? It's a great question.
Pressure creates diamonds, right? And the pressure for me was the divorce, my parents, you know, not speaking, me not speaking to my dad, and my mum struggling. That's where it all started from. That's when I started getting this like sort of saltiness at the world. Like, what the hell is going on? I know I'm special. I did have that mentality always. And that's the nurture. That's the nurture side, or nature, depending on how you look at it, you know. I think it definitely runs in my family. And my dad has that very big image of himself, right?
Yeah.